Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafty Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today is the new prompt reveal for part 4 of Roxy's Journal of Stitchery treasure hunt, and the prompt is Granny's buttons. So what I thought I would do today, I don't know how much I'm going to get done, but show you my idea, get a few things laid down, and then come back and do the other bits. So we are up to prompt 8, and I haven't finished those two, haven't even started number 7, but number 8 is Granny's buttons. So let's pull that out. That's what I need. And the colour's dark blue. I'm on the dark blue page. So, that over there. What I thought I could do is I've just dug around and found some fabrics that I can use. Nothing's cut yet. I don't know if that's the right tone, but I've got a bit of this. I found a crocheted flower in blue, which maybe I'll use, and then a bit of this and a bit of that. So what my idea is, because it's a rainbow book, I'm going to do a button rainbow. So I need to go and have a fossick for some rainbow buttons. I'm going to try, I don't know whether I probably could turn my page that way and do the rainbow that way, or do a big wobbly rainbow that way. But once I dig around for my buttons, then I'll decide. And I think I'll do the 7 colours of the rainbow, all in buttons. So what I'm going to do now is stitch down my background, and I will be back. Okay, my background is stitched down, and I've been digging for some buttons, and I found the red, orange and yellow. And I've got my jar of, they're more blue and indigo, but I'll have to find the next colours. So I follow the Roy G. Biv colour system, so this is what I was taught at art school when back in the day. So there's my sort of rainbow, but I don't know if it's going to work. So what I was thinking I could do would be maybe do stripes of colour up and down rather than a rainbow. I didn't try going that way, but that means I'd need more buttons. So I'll have to have a think about that, whether maybe if I squeeze them all in closer, that might work. They're just buttons of all different shapes and sizes. There's been no plan of how I've picked them out, but that can definitely go up there where it's a bit smaller. I've just pulled them all out, and any that fitted the colour got plonked on here. So yeah, see, if I do it close together, then I'm going to need more buttons. That's orange, so that goes in there. Yeah, well, but am I going to be able to fit the 7 colours in the arch? I don't think so, unless I turn it the other way and have my rainbow going that way. Yes, So maybe I'll do that. And then I'll get all the 7 colours in. I mean, I don't have to have the 7 colours, because indigo and violet are very similar. So I could just choose one of them, or just go for that family. But I think I might go that way. Okay, let's move these. How are we going to do this? That one. Yeah, that'll give me a bit more space. What have I done there? That's yellow. That's orange. That's orange. That's yellow. Okay, and then if we bring that down there, yeah, I think that'll be better. That's orange. No, and then I'll just find some more to fill in the gaps. Red, and orange and yellow. Okay, how does that, yeah, that's, maybe, once I have a fiddle around with them and figure out a plan, I will come back and show you what I've done. But that's my idea for now, and if it doesn't work, then I don't know. But I'm going to have a play around, find some more buttons, go and get my day started, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.